Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you remove green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to remove green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro you need to use an effect. So for that, go to effects and search for Ultra key, and after searching Ultra, here you can see the Ultra key effect in keying. You need to just put it on this effect, and after that, as you can see in the Ultra key options in the effect controls, there is a pen like icon. Just click on it and just click on this green screen, and just like that the green screen will be removed like this. So guys, that's how you can remove green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.